Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to create a clear, simple, and powerful dashboard in Excel. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Prepare your data. Make sure each column has clear labels like date, sales, and region. Then select your data and turn it into an Excel table using Ctrl+T. Step 2. Build the visuals. Go to Insert, then Pivot Table to quickly summarize your data. Then, add pivot charts to display trends, such as a line chart for sales over time or a bar chart for top-performing regions. These charts form the backbone of your dashboard. Step 3. Add interactivity. Insert slicers to filter by things like region. With a single click, your dashboard updates instantly. Step 4. Polish it up. Place your charts, slicers, and timelines on one sheet. Hide grid lines, add titles, and apply a clean color scheme. A well-designed layout makes your dashboard not just functional, but professional too. And that's it. 4 simple steps to creating a dashboard in Excel. Prepare your data, build pivot tables and charts, add interactivity, and design the layout. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share for more Excel tips. See you next time.